This will be a how-to on how to establish a contact from an input as a dual state alarm. So I'm going to be setting this up on a PSM. Just keep in mind it would work pretty much the same for a I/O or switch contact module. So first thing you want to do is on the core or the welcome screen, we want to go to the core software. Once we're inside here, we want to go to configuration and devices. You can also over here. I have this test module already set up with my inputs have already been set up. So that's key is you want to make sure you've already set up that input. There's a video on how to do that. If you haven't done that already, we'll do that first. So we're going to come in here, hit edit. We're going to go to monitoring points. And then now we're going to add an alarm. You may have other alarms. But what I want to set this up for is I'm just going to call this line down cell 1. And this is the important part. So for this one, what we're looking at is a switch contact, because it's going to be that contact that's on this box. And we want it to be a dual state. So now I have a line down cell 1 as a switch contact dual state. So now once that I have that set up, I'm going to hit my save and exit. This is important. Then come back here, hit edit. And now I'm going to go over here to my inputs that I've set up previously. As you can see, I have two inputs here, input 1 and input 2. So I'm going to hit input 1. So I'm going to say that my line down for cell 1 is on input 1. And basically right here is where I need to link it to that alarm. So then I'll get a list of all my alarms. Select that. Now this input is linked to that alarm. So when this input gets tripped, it's going to set line down cell 1 alarm on my touch screen, and that's what's going to record in the database. And then when that switch clears off, then it's going to go away. Okay, so I'm just going to hit save and exit here. And now I have that alarm set up as a dual state alarm. This you'll just need to go to your device status and update your module if this is an existing one that you've added to. And that will conclude this how-to on setting up that dual state alarm. Look forward to talking to you again.